Hi all folks, this is Max from HTCEvoHacks.com. I got my HTC Evo 3D. The word around the town is that there's actually a permanent temp root, which means it's not really permanent root, but it gives you temporary root. You just have to run this temporary root file every time you reboot your phone. This is a little bit different. Before you can, only run the super user once, but this actually gives you permanent root until you reboot your phone, and sometimes you don't even reboot your phone for like a couple days. So yeah, this is the next best solution to having a rooted phone until there is permanent root. So what you're gonna do is first make sure you're go to settings and go to applications and go to development and make sure USB debugging is checked on like mine here, as you can see, and then connect your USB cable to your computer, Windows, Linux, Mac. It'll work on all of them. This guide is for Windows, but the next guide I'll show it to you on a Linux system, which should be exactly the same on Mac also. So let me just show you on the Windows first. It's really easy, it's just a one-liner. So go download, well, let's switch screens here. So I'll have links. Go download Evo 3D Perma Temp root.zip. I'll have links, and then when you unzip it, you'll get this file folder, right? And for Windows, I would say just open up, put it in your main directory of C drive, most likely for you guys. So I'm gonna just move this over to the root directory of my C drive, so it's easy for me to. There we go. So I got it moved over here, and now I can open up a command prompt and go directly there. Hit CMD on your start, and what we're gonna do is go CD Evo 3D Perma Temp root, like that. CD. This is actually backslash. I have Korean font, so I always have to say that. And dir gives you all the files in here, and I'm gonna actually make a script for all you guys with Mac or Linux. But for Windows, all you have to do is type run me freevo _ rootbat, and like that, and hit enter. And this should basically give you permanent root. So it's doing it. So it's gonna stick until you reboot, and then hit continue, and then hit continue, and let's go to our phone again, and let's double check our apps are working in SU. So let's see, I have let's run a Wi-Fi tether, which is a super user app. And it asks permissions twice when you start it and when you stop it. So if it doesn't force close, that means we have permanent root. Well, temporary root. It'll work the whole time while you don't reboot your phone. So it says Wi-Fi tether has been granted permissions, and my Wi-Fi tether is working. And let me stop it, and it's gonna ask you, and no force close. So now we have root. Now you can run any kind of root applications. I'm not sure this Wi-Fi tethering app works, but you can run apps like set CPU. You can overclock it. I'll have a video on that. And my next video, I'll show you how to root it. The same thing. I'll make a script for you guys on Linux and Mac. I feel so bad. Anyway, that's how you permanent temp root. You'll have to run the script connected to your computer every time you do this, but it's definitely worth it because just don't reboot your phone. And that's all. Thanks, y'all. Bye bye. Oh, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We're gonna have a bunch of more HT 3D Evo hacks and Evo hacks and G2 hacks and everything. See y'all later.